Hello, it's Diana, and hello YouTube people. I'm just doing this video for you guys. I wanted to let you know about a free 7-day experience that I am doing, and you can get it through your email, so you don't have to be on Facebook. I know I have so many amazing followers who are not on Facebook, so this is just for you. What it is about is it is 7 days to busting stress and relaxing, releasing, connecting to yourself, experiencing more joy, peace, and calm during your day. Now, what I'm going to do is it's going to be 7 audios for sure. So when you sign up, it's free. You're going to get an audio each morning that you can do first thing in the morning. It's going to be a shorter thing like a little meditation or a breathing exercise to start your day in a more calm and centered way. And then I will also be doing a couple videos that I will post on YouTube and send to you through email to the link about some other things. Oh, my hair, I'm outside. Some other things that might be contributing to you experiencing more stress during the day and that you may not even be aware of. So I'm going to go into more of that in the videos, and so I will give you guys also a link to post to the link up to the YouTube videos. So you get the 7 audios on how a little exercises, breathing techniques, and tools and practices that I use that are simple and easy, and I use with my clients to help you decrease your stress through the day, because stress decreases your immune system. You will not lose weight, right, if you are under consistent stress, and that is in midlife. That's just kind of the fact. That's the way your body works. You can feel fatigued, tired, and even exhausted when you're under consistent stress, as well as it can lead to a toxic body, as well as it's so hard on your organs, your heart and all your organs, and your body will not come into better balance if you are under consistent stress. It just won't. Therefore, any symptoms that you're experiencing are going to stay bad, right? As well as your weight going to continue to grow. So stress is probably, I'd say, the food and stress at the same time really need to be dealt with during this midlife phase and beyond, so that you can begin to feel your best, right? Like I said, your body will not come into balance if you do not decrease the stress. And doing these little practices throughout your day can make a huge difference. You don't have to go to the gym for 2 hours or do 5 yoga classes a week, right? That's cool too, but it is also not the whole thing. I mean, there's so many things that you can do each day that'll be fast, simple, and easy, and it'll help to bring your body into better balance and feel more calm, peace, and joy during your day. All right, I will post the link in the description below, so make sure to join us. We start Monday, February 24th. When you sign up, you will get the information, and that'll come each day for 7 days, and you will always have access to that. All right, I hope you join us. Much love to you. Bye-bye.